If I wrote you a symphony.
What's up, YouTube? Before I get into the video, subscribe, comment below. This part of the vlog is going to be about the jet skis. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Subscribe, comment below. Stay tuned for more.
This ring here represents my heart.
It's like a mini couch. It is like a mini couch.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting in the birthday silence.
So this is your girl, Jessica.
It's not my name. My name's Jasmine.
It's Jessica. I'm about to get on the jet skis again. Uncle Steve.
Yo. Round two, ladies.
Round two with the vlog on the jet ski. And we got the little floaty thing this time. So we're gonna see how that goes. Hopefully nobody fall off.
I fall off.
For real. Alright. Be back.
Y'all, they bad. It took them a fucking while. Look at them dumb bitches. My arm is still broken though. Cutting my auntie. And I broke my fucking arm doing this shit.
Alright, this is take 45. We flipped off a couple of times, almost went under. This shit getting crazy. Alright, back to your turn to drive. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all would. Hold on, tight up the seat! Hold on, tight up the seat! It's funny you still up oh shit. I'm zoomed in. Alright, that's Thea, aka the bitch. Stupid. She too funny. She too funny. Too funny.
What's up, YouTube? And now we are in Walmart. I'm on my face. I just went jet skiing. I'm started getting me some items to eat, like snacks and little. Okay, vlog. So they is running around the store looking for items. Yeah. See?
She about beat your ass.
Not somebody.
What happened?
Y'all so embarrassing. Thank you. It's like
In the phone, get it. Come on.
Uncle Steve.
I know after the episode store y'all again. Come on.
That's I see what Miss Marcia ordered online. The two young gonna stay here. That's gonna be too much. Cause one gotta watch her sister, I gotta watch my sister. That's gonna be too much. And y'all two do together. Y'all like do dumb shit. Let's go to the middle of the ocean. Oh my gosh, that'd be so funny for a prank. Oh, maybe the script.
You're being so ignorant.
That is how y'all gonna be. Nah. If Uncle Steve was coming in, y'all could come. But chill.
Like you don't chill in that damn room when she ain't in there.
I don't know what she's listening. Y'all heard me, damn. Y'all can stay. Y'all got food. Right. So. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, comment below. Stay tuned for more vlogs.